into this video, as you can tell by the title, I'm making some homemade, quick, fast, easy spaghettis, baby. Spaghettis. I'm cooking the meat, and that's all you really need to know how to cook the meat, because pasta, I already have the pasta cooked. This is a 32-ounce package of spaghetti pasta. Ooh, it's still real hot. And that's it. That's the noodles. So I got some ground beef. Let's see. I have some ground. So we're gonna season this meat. Add a little salt, that pepper. Slap your mama season. Garlic powder, onion powder, lemon pepper, baby. Italian season. Woo! Oh well. Basil and oregano. So we're gonna drain this, baby. Drain some of the oil. So we got the meat halfway cooked. See how it still look pink? Add the veggies. This is onions and bell peppers. A half an onion and a half a bell pepper. Diced chopped, however you like it. And some garlic. We're gonna get this to cooking and them onions sweating. Get all them flavors into that meat. Okay. So that's how it should look. It smells good. And I'm using canned paste sauce, garlic and herb. It looks good. Add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'll say simmer this for like about 10. Now that's some sauce. Comment below and let me know if you season your pasta. I mean, you know, like after it cooked. So we're just gonna do a little test run. And there you go. Authentic homemade spaghettis. Let's try some. Whew. Whew. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat this. Ooh. Y'all, so delicious.